Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to add a touch of style and innovation to your home decor, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into innovative curtain holder designs that can transform your space from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's get started. Design 1, Magnetic Curtain Tiebacks. First up, magnetic curtain tiebacks. These are perfect for a minimalist and modern look. They are easy to use and don't require any installation. Just wrap them around your curtains, and the magnets will hold them in place. Simple, sleek, and stylish. Design 2, rope tiebacks with hooks. Next, rope tiebacks with hooks. Ideal for a coastal or rustic theme, these tiebacks add a casual yet stylish touch to your curtains. You can find them in different colors and thicknesses to suit your style. They are perfect for adding a bit of texture and charm. Design 3, metal holdbacks with decorative finials. Metal holdbacks with decorative finials are a classic choice that adds elegance to any room. Available in various finishes like brass, chrome, and matte black, these holdbacks are perfect for formal living rooms and bedrooms. They are not just functional but also add a decorative element. Design 4, fabric tiebacks with tassels. Fabric tiebacks with tassels bring a touch of luxury and sophistication to your curtains. These are great for traditional and classic interiors. Choose tiebacks that complement your curtain fabric for a cohesive look. The tassels add a touch of opulence and elegance. Design 5, DIY curtain holders. For those who love a personal touch, DIY curtain holders can be a fun and creative option. Use materials like beads, ribbons, or even old jewelry to create unique tiebacks. Not only do they add a unique touch, but they also reflect your style and creativity. There you have it, some innovative curtain holder designs to elevate your home style. Whether you prefer the simplicity of magnetic tiebacks or the elegance of fabric tiebacks with tassels, there's something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this decorative journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon for more home decor tips from wall curtains.